To make a three-dimensional object in SketchUp, we need to change our view or navigate around our 3D model. In order to do that, we can use navigation tools on large toolset or camera toolset, or we can use our mouse. For example, to zoom in and out, we can use magnifying glass, select it, place it where we want to zoom, left click and move your mouse forward to zoom in, or move your mouse backward to zoom out. Basically, we press the left key and drag forward or drag backward. But it's much easier while we are drawing. Instead of going there, we just use our mouse. For example, I'm drawing a line here and I want to zoom out. So it's making it much faster to just use our mouse and not going to toolbar. So just roll the wheel on your mouse backward to zoom out, place the mouse where you want it and zoom in. Forward, zoom in, backward, zoom out. Orbit. Again, we can use toolbar, click on orbit icon, press the left key on your mouse and drag to change your view. Basically, we are moving our camera around our model. Or this time, to orbit using mouse, instead of rolling the wheel, we just press it down and drag the mouse. Press the wheel, drag the mouse in the direction that you want. Keep in mind, let's make it much easier to do it step by step. Let it go, press the wheel, move your mouse, let it go. The next tool is pan. You can click on the pan and basically you are moving the screen in one direction. Again, you click on the icon, press the left key on your mouse and drag it to the direction that you want to move and move the screen. To do the same thing with mouse, place the mouse where you want. First, push the wheel button on your mouse. As you can see, the icon on the screen changed to orbit. Then press the shift and now we can pan. There is another option to pan and we can just use our mouse. There is no need to use the keyboard. Again, press the wheel button down, then you have to press the left key on your mouse and you can pan. So one more time, press the wheel, then press the left key. Wheel, left key. The next navigation tool is zoom window. We can't use mouse to do zoom window, but we don't need it that much because we can do the same thing with zoom in and zoom out. But sometimes if you just need to zoom in one specific area, you can select the zoom window and left click, open the window, and SketchUp will zoom in that area. Another useful navigation tool is zoom extend. Sometimes we want to see the whole drawing, not just one part, everything and everything. So in that case, you just click on zoom extend and SketchUp shows you everything. For example, if I add another object, another rectangle here, then I go back here, and if I press zoom extend, see this time SketchUp, actually it's hidden behind this thing, but it's here. See, so it extend our view to show us everything in our drawing. Zoom extend, so as you see it's behind this. I don't want to move it, yeah. And then the last thing here is previous. Um, Unlike AutoCAD, undo in SketchUp just undo an action like drawing, moving, so it doesn't undo the view. For example, if I change my view now and then I press Ctrl Z, as you can see, nothing is happening. It just undo all the steps that I did. See, remove the line, remove the my model, and it didn't really change our view. That's why they add this one, zoom previous. So basically what it does, it bring the previous view back, and it is really useful. We have access through here, or we have access through camera previews. Let's review navigation tool. To zoom in and out, place the cursor where you want to zoom in and roll the wheel forward. To zoom out, roll it backward. If I want to zoom in another area, I place the cursor there and roll in. You can use zoom in and out even instead of pan, instead of using these two keys to pan to move the drawing area. I can easily zoom out in one area, place my cursor in another area, and zoom in. Zoom out and place the cursor here and zoom in. You have to practice, but it's really easy and it's really useful. The next thing is orbit. So press the wheel and drag the mouse, let it go. Press the wheel, drag the mouse, let it go. Press the wheel, drag the mouse, let it go. It's much easier when we do it step by step. It's hard to go all the way. I can just do it step by step. And get to the point that we want. And the last thing, pan. Again, we have two options. 1, press the shift, press the wheel, and drag the mouse. Or first press the wheel down, then press the left key and drag the mouse.